In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a compromised site error in Google Ads. If your ad has been disapproved due to this issue, don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to resolve it efficiently. Let's start by heading over to the Google Ads platform. You can do this by visiting their website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any glitches during this process. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you manage multiple accounts, ensure you're logged into the one that's been affected by the error. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Here is where you can get an overview of all your campaigns and their current statuses. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it allows you to keep track of any alerts or disapprovals your campaigns might face. Next, we need to delve into the settings to get to the root of the problem. In the top navigation bar, locate the Tools and Settings icon. It usually resembles a wrench and is positioned near the right end of the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Troubleshooting. This section is your go-to for diagnosing and fixing issues related to your account and campaigns. Once you're in the troubleshooting area, look for an option labeled Policy Manager. The Policy Manager is crucial because it houses all the compliance-related notifications and reports from Google Ads. By accessing it, you can gain insights into why exactly your site was flagged or disapproved. At this point, you should see any alerts or messages about your compromised site. Reading these messages will give you a good understanding of what went wrong. Google might highlight specific reasons or suggest potential solutions. Make sure to take note of these suggestions, as they can guide you in restoring your site's standing. Now, resolve any issues that have been identified. This may involve scanning your website for malware, ensuring your site complies with Google's advertising policies, or enlisting professional help if necessary. Once the necessary corrections are made, revisit Google Ads and navigate back to the Policy Manager. Here, you will likely have the option to request a review of your site, prompting Google to reevaluate and hopefully lift the disapproval. And there you have it, a concise guide to addressing and fixing a compromised site error in Google Ads. Remember, maintaining compliance with all Google Ads policies is vital in keeping your campaigns running smoothly and successfully reaching your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.